Yeah, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. It's a school holiday, so I'm gonna take my girls for a ride. I'm gonna take them to the playground. Indoor playground. Indoor lang may kay hangin kaayo. Di pwede sa gawas. So, let's go guys! Hi my loves! Welcome back to my channel of blessing. Hello, my loves! It's a school holiday na. Holiday. 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 Okay, so since it's school holiday, so we're going to the... Where are we going, loves? Where are we going, girls?
To Lafala. Yeah,
To the Lafalats now. So we're going to the Lafalats and
backdoor, outdoor.
in the indoor because why indoor, my love?
Because of the back.
Oh, wow. Because of the back. Okay. Okay, so we're going to the playground indoor because it's not at the back. Is that right? Huh? No, we're going in the indoor playground because it's too cold and it's too cold and it's too cold. It's too cold and it's too windy. Mga palid ang among mga buko.
Loud.
Ha?
But the sun is still loud.
Yes, the sun is still very, very up and high and shining bright the sky.
That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
That makes sense. Pero ang hangin, perting tugnawa. Very tugnaw. So, I'm very, very glad that I have three little kids. No. So, I'm so glad and my driver is willing to drive us. No, we're also very, very, very appreciate for the hardness.
Don't forget my page tonight, lady.
No, actually, supposed to be we're going for a walk, but my driver offers some very affordable
windy.
price.
It is too windy.
My driver offered a very affordable price for worth of $1. You wanna see my driver now? Okay. So anyway, yeah, it's too hangin man outside, and then because of my beautiness, because of my beautiness, you don't want that gonna expose in the air. Okay, so I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna see you. Patakara magagstorya, oy. All right. Yeah. So, okay. So guys, we're going there in the over there in the over there. Going to the playground with my kids. Mom, at your service. Over here, my love. Huh? There we go. Are you excited, girls? Yeah.
I'm very excited.
They're excited to go to the playground to jump and jump and jump. Come on in. Huh? Is it open? Okay. Come on. My love, you wanna hold the phone? And then I'm gonna. Yeah. Just walk slowly.
Some would say that we were innocent, but
Ate, be careful,
the
Ate.
time we spent
Be
was
careful, Ate.
fun.
You're gonna hurt your brother.
We were naive. Some would say we never had a clue that all we did was tightly start to weave a relationship that we would never leave. The evolution of our love as it changes for the better. We see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. Oh, as we move along through the changes that our lives would bring, because we stay together, we stay strong.
Where's Ate? Where's Ate? You gonna find Ate yet? Where's
We
Ate?
moved ahead past the twists and turns of this long road. We always kept our eyes on where it led. And everybody's doubts were wrong instead. The evolution of our love as it changes for the better. We see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. Now we are three. We were blessed to have a child from God, who every day is the one who helps us see. Now we arrive at a place we always hoped we were. We were so young. Some would say that we were innocent, but all we knew was the time we spent was fun.
Okay.
We were naive. Some would say we never had a clue that all we did was tightly start to weave
Moment again.
a relationship that we would never leave. The evolution of our love as it changes for the better. We see that it is ever evolution. As we grow, we end up being more in tune, and that is how we know it's evolution. Oh, as we moved along through the changes that our lives would bring.